So we're back at it at Knott's, and then we're here at Panda Express, and I got me this compound chicken, rice, and some steamed veggies. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I'm feeling hungry. So now let's go ahead and dig in, shall we? Ooh, look at that. Looks so nice and warm and delicious. Oh my gosh. We got some calabazas here. We got some peanuts, some onions, some bell peppers, some chili peppers. And I don't know what kind of seeds are these. If you know what kind of seeds are these, let me know in the comments below. Kind of look like pumpkin seeds or something. I don't know, but this looks so good. Oh, and we can't forget this delicious chicken. Bursting in flavor. Look at that, food freak. Yummy. There's one thing that Panda Express knows how to do good. Veggies and chicken. Oh. So good. A little hint of spiciness, nice and flavorful. You gotta love it. So good. Now let's go ahead and try these seeds. So good. No wonder they throw them all in there. They definitely know what they're doing when it comes to deliciousness, flavorful food. You gotta love it. Let's try their rice. So good. Yum. Broccoli is nice and flavorful, nice and juicy. Can definitely taste those spices in that broccoli. So good. All this food is nice, delicious, flavorful. Oh God. Explosion. That's what my mouth feels every time I take a bite of this. So now that we gave it all a good mix, go ahead and try to get a taste of everything together. So good. Yummy. Who needs the hot sauce when you got the compo chicken? So good. Definitely taste that spiciness. Peach iced tea. So refreshing. Want some? Yummy. Full of flavor. Just can't get enough of this. Ooh, I'm feeling that spiciness. Ooh. It's getting hot in here. So spicy. Spicy delicious. So there you have it, food freaks and delicious compound chicken from Panda Express. You gotta love it. So good. Bye-bye, food freaks. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.